In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech G733 wireless headset to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Logitech G733 wirelessly on a PlayStation 5 is extremely simple. In fact, the headset is fully compatible and it was primarily designed to be used wirelessly on these platforms, so you will be able to do it right after you charge the headset. When you unbox the headset, you are going to find the USB-C to USB-A cable that is used for charging, so I recommend plugging the headset in right away to make sure that it has sufficient power. You can plug it into any suitable USB power source. Next, you will be able to connect it wirelessly to any platform, including the PlayStation 4, with the provided USB wireless adapter. So all that you have to do is plug the USB wireless adapter into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 4 console. You can even use it on a PlayStation 5 or PC. When you plug in the wireless receiver, all that you have to do now is power on the headset. So press and hold the power button until you see the LED lights flash up, indicating that it is powered on. It will automatically pair itself up with the wireless dongle, and it will become the default audio device on your PlayStation 4. Keep in mind that you won't be able to control settings like the lighting or the equalizer because those are exclusive to the Logitech G Hub software that is exclusive for PC. But regardless, all of the audio will be output through the headset. You can go over to the audio devices on your PlayStation 4, confirm that it is set as the default input and output device, and you will be able to use it fully on the PlayStation console. Like I said, it is also completely compatible with the PlayStation 5 and PC, but it is not compatible at all with Xbox consoles, so keep that in mind. If it doesn't work right away, first try swapping the USB port that you are using for the receiver, restart the console, and make sure that it is sufficiently charged. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G733 wireless headset to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.